Okay, today I'll be going through the Methodist Girls paper for Primary 4, their mid-year 2019 with my student. I'll only be going through questions that she got it wrong for this paper. So the first question I'll be going through is question 2. Okay, question 2, it says that in 80,123, the zero is in the which place? The zero is in the thousands place. Zero is here. It's in the thousands place. Because this one is 1,000. You understand the logic?
Yes.
Okay, this one okay. Let's move on to the next one. Question 4. Which one of the following is the first common multiple of 6 and 8? Okay, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, which one of the following is a common multiple of 6 and 8? So the multiple of 6, what is the multiple of 6?
6, 12, 18, 14,
14,
15.
6, 12, 18. Multiple of 6.
20, 24.
24. And followed by
30.
30. Okay, you can stop here now. Then after that, how about the multiples of 8?
8, 16,
Followed by
24,
24. Followed by
32.
32. We can stop here. Then can you tell me which one is the first common multiple of 8 and 6? 6 and 8. The first common multiple, which one?
24.
24. Because this is the only one that's common. You understand, no?
Yes.
That's our answer is 24. Number 2. Okay, let's move on. Question 6. Which one of the following is an equivalent fraction of 3 over 8? Okay, 3 over 8. Let's say I want to change it to base 16. Okay, I want to change it to base 16. What must I do? 8. How did 8 become 16?
Times 2.
Times 2. So what is the numerator here?
6.
6. 3 times 2 is 6. So do you have 6 over 16 here?
No.
No, right? So you can cross out this 2. How about 6 over 8? 6
Yes.
over 8 is the same denominator as 3 over 8. Is it the same? Is it an equivalent fraction?
Yes.
Huh?
No.
No. Do you know why no?
No.
Because not equal to 6 over 8. Because how could 3 be equal to 6? Because their same denominator is 8.
Okay.
You understand? So only left with 1. So answer is 4. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question 7. A stationery set costs $27. Mrs. Lim bought 475 stationery sets to contribute to a donation drive. How much did Mrs. Lim pay for the stationery sets? How much? What must you do to find? How to find? Each stationery set cost $27. She bought 475 stationery sets.
475 times 27.
Precisely. Do you get this? Do you write this down?
Yeah.
I mean, do you understand why 475 times 27?
Yeah.
Okay, let's times 27 together.
Okay.
Okay, you do this part together. You do. 5 times 7. How to do
5
this
times
part?
7 equals 35. 5 times 7 equals 35.
Then after that, 7 times 7.
7 times 7 equals
Equal to what?
42. 49.
49. Then you need to add. You need to add how many?
Add 3.
Add 3. Then I'll give you 49 add 3 will give you how much?
52.
52. So I write the 2 here, right?
Yeah.
And 5 here. But imagine there's a 5 here. So after that,
7 times 4
equal to,
equals to 28
then you need to add how many?
plus 5.
Plus how many? Plus 5, right?
Yeah.
28 plus 5 is how many?
28 plus 5 equals 53.
28 plus 5 is
33.
not 33. Then after that,
times 2. 5 times 2
5 times
equals
2 is how
10.
many? 10.
Equals 10.
Then
Then put a 1 on top.
you can put a 1 on top, okay?
Then 2 times 7 equals 14. But it plus 1 equals 15.
Then put a 1 here. Then after that,
After that, 4 times 2, 9.
4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9.
9.
Then what you have here?
Add together.
What you have here?
Put 5. Then 2, 8, 12.
So what's the answer?
Number 4.
Number 4 is the answer. Okay?
Okay.
Number 4 is the answer. Okay, move on to number 8 really. Okay, which of the following numbers when rounded to nearest 100 does not give 7,300? Okay, number 1. When you round 72249 to nearest 100, what you have? Nearest 100, which number should you look at?
Nearest 100.
Which number you should look at? You should look at 4 or 9 or 2. Which one? 2, 4, 2, 4 or 9. Which nearest 100, which number should you look at?
2.
Not 2. You should look at 4.
Why?
Because 95. Let's say 195.
Okay.
Nearest 100 is 200. Why I round up? Because I look at 9. 9 I round up become 10. And 175 Nearest 100, I look at 7. Because 7 round up, nearest 100 is 200. You get it
okay.
now?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so this one, you nearest 100, what's the answer?
Nearest 100 equals number.
No, this one you round off the nearest 100. What's the answer you have?
Oh.
72249.
Equals 72200.
72200. Because 4, I round off is 0, 0. So this one is 72200. It asks which of the following numbers when rounded to the nearest 100 does not equal to this. So is it true? Answer is 1. Because it doesn't equal to this one. Do you think answer is 1?
Yes.
Yes, right? Answer is 1, right? Okay, then if you are in doubts, you can check. Number 2, is it 72281? You round off the nearest 100. What you have? Nearest 100, you should look at 2 or 8.
2.
Look at 2 again. Just now I just did similar
8.
question. Look at 8. Why I don't get it? This one nearest 100. What you have? 722 what?
7228. 72290.
Nearest 100 there. 8 you round up is what?
9.
You don't round up the 8, you round up the 2 because you look at 8. Nearest 100.
Okay.
You understand what I'm talking about, no?
Yes.
Now 8 you round up. Then the 2, this 2 will become. This 2 will become what? You round up.
3.
This is 3. Then the 8 and 1 will become
0.
0, 0. So this is 72300.
Okay.
Because number 1, you round off is 72200. So answer is 1 already. So 3 and 4 no need to do already. Because you know confirm is 72300. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Yeah. So in exams, you do number 1, you see 723. It's not 72300. Answer is 1 already.
Okay.
If you're confident of your answer. Question 10. Arrange the following from smallest to greatest. This kind of question, I did it 10,000 times with you before. You don't remember how to do one? Do you remember how to do this kind of question?
No.
How come you don't remember?
Don't
I've been
know
doing.
how change it to the
Then I told
number.
you change it to the common denominator, right?
Yeah.
Like 7, 8, and 2. What is the LCM? What is the first common multiple? 7, 8, and 2. What is the first common multiple? Lowest common multiple?
1.
1. Lowest common multiple. Do you know what I'm talking about? 7, 8, and 2. What is the lowest common multiple?
0.
No. Do you know what is lowest common multiple?
No.
I thought I told you many times before. Common multiple. Like the multiples of 7, you know, right?
Yeah.
The multiples of 8, you also know, right?
Yeah.
And you know the common multiple of 7 and 8?
Okay.
I mean, please get it in your head because I can't repeat the same thing every week with you. You're primary 5 next year and it's going to be hard for you really, you know. Okay, 7 and 8. What is the common multiple?
Mm. 7 and 8.
What is the common multiple? What is 7 times 8? What is 7 times 8? To find common multiple, you just times the two numbers together. 7 times 8.
56.
You get it in your head. Because I keep repeating the same thing every week. This kind of question I've been going through review, don't know how many times already, you still don't get it. And I also don't know how to continue to help you. You know what I mean? You have to put in effort. So 7 and 8. 7 times 8 is?
7 times 8 is 56.
So all the common denominator is 56. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. 7 times 8 is 56, right? So 3
Yeah.
times how many? This is how many over 56? 3 over 7 is how many over 56?
3 times 8.
3 times 8 equal to? What is 3 times 8?
8.
3 times 8 equal to what?
19.
3 times 8 is not 19. For goodness sake, please go and memorize your multiplication timetable. I told you how many times. Go and memorize your multiplication timetable. What is 3 times 8?
24.
24. Okay, this one, 8 multiplied by what? Give you 56. 8 need to multiply by?
8 new multiply by 7.
7. So numerator, I need to multiply by how many?
7.
Multiply by 7 also. So 5 times 7 give you?
35.
35. So same thing. 2 multiplied by how many give you 56? 2 multiplied by 28 give you 56. So this one is 1 times 28. So this how many?
28.
How many over 56?
28.
28. Now you tell me which one is the smallest. Which one is the smallest? Among these three, which 24. So 24 over 56 is which one? 24 over 56 is which fraction? Answer is very obvious already. You still cannot tell me. 24 over
3
56.
over 7.
3 over 7. So 3 over 7 is the smallest, right? Then which one, there's 4 answer, right? Which one starts with 3 over 7?
Number 2.
Number 2. So answer is number 2. So don't need to waste time, go and put the rest in. Because 3 over 7 is the smallest. So you choose number 2. Okay, understand?
Okay.
Sometimes in MCQ, you don't need to waste time calculate the rest one. If this one, 3 over 7 is the smallest one, you see which group will answer, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Which one start at 3 over 7? There's only one start at 3 over 7. So confirm is number 2. So you don't need to waste time go and do the half and 5 over 8. That's how you save time in exam. Okay? Make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question 12. Okay, Mrs. Chua had 40 meters of cloth. She used 3/5 of it to make a sofa cover. How many meters of cloth did she have left? So 3/5. Let's draw a model. It'll be easier for you. Okay, so this cloth is 40 meters. Correct? So let's divide this into 5 parts. All right, because 3/5 what? 3/5 means there's 5 parts, right?
Yeah.
So she used 3/5 of it to make sofa cover.
Okay.
So she left with how much? What's the fraction that's left here?
2.
2. What's the fraction that's left here?
2/40.
Huh?
2/5.
2/5. This is 3/5. So left is 2/5. So to find this length, right, you use 2/5 multiplied by 40. That's all. So 2/5 multiplied by 40 will give you
Equals.
Then you cancel. Can 5 and 40 cancel?
Yes.
Yes, right? So 5 become 1. 40 will become? 40
1.
become how many?
30.
No. Because how you see, 5, how did 5 become 1? 5 divide by 5. It become 1. So since it's divide by 5, right? So 40 must also divide by 5.
10.
So 40 divided by 5 will give you?
10.
40 divided by 5 doesn't give you 10. Your multiplication timetable again. 40 divided by 5 is? What is 40 divided by 5?
8.
40 divided by 5 equal to 8. So this is 8. So 2 times 8 equal to? 2 times 8 equal how many?
2 times 8 equals 16.
16. So how many meters of cloth she have left? Answer is which one?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay?
Okay.
You understand now?
Yes.
You have to redo all these questions.
Okay.
Okay, Jamila used 1/4 kg of sugar to bake some muffins. She used 1/12 kg more sugar to bake some cookies than the muffins. How much sugar did she use to bake the cookies? Okay, this kind of question, the fraction here, is it a quantity or is an actual fraction? You understand my question? It's a quantity because there's kg down there. So she used 1/4 kg for muffins. She used 1/12 kg more to bake cookies than muffins. How much sugar did she use to bake the cookies? So these two add together is how much? You know why I add, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you use 1/12 kg more. So I add together. So 1/4 plus 1/12 equal to, what must you do?
Times 4.
Times 4. Everything times 4, no.
12 times 4 and 4 times 12.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You know why? You know why?
Cannot.
Not cannot, can, but you're dealing with much bigger number. So the 1/4 you should change it to, is 12 a multiple of 4?
No.
Huh? Is 12,
Yes.
is 12 a
No.
multiple of 4? Yes, right?
Yeah.
12 is a multiple of 4. So 1/4 you can change it to 1/4 can change to what? How many over 12?
1.
1/4 can change it to what?
4.
You see, 4 times how many is 12? 4 multiplied by how many is 12?
3.
4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So it's times 3, right? So 1 times 3 is how many?
3.
So 3 over 12. Understand?
Okay.
That's how you get 3 over 12 times 3.
Okay.
So this one, what's the final answer? 3 over 12 plus 1 over 12 is?
3 over 12 plus 1 over 12 equals
Equal to what?
4 over 12.
Okay, 4 over 12, is it the lowest form?
No.
No, right? Change this to lowest form. So 4 over 12 is?
4 over 12
4 over 12 is how many?
is 1
Lowest
over
form?
6.
No.
1 over 3.
1 over 3. Divide by 4. So answer is?
1
Answer is
over
which one? Answer is?
number 1.
Number 1. 1/3. Clear?
Yes.
You clear, I move on. 15. Okay, Mr. Lim had some balloons. He tied them into 208 branches of 7 balloons each.
Okay.
How many balloons were tied? What must you do?
208 times 7.
Correct. 208 times 7. Why cannot get the answer? Let's do here. You do for me?
8 times 7 equals 56.
56. Then after that,
5.
5 here. Then after that,
7 times 2 equals 14.
what's the answer?
Number 2.
Number 2. You got it wrong. I don't know why you got it wrong. Okay. This question okay,
Yeah.
The rest okay already, your MCQ.
Okay.
20. Okay, use the digits below to form the smallest 5-digit odd number with 8 in the hundreds place.
Okay.
Smallest 5-digit. Okay, other than 8, which number is the smallest here? Which number is the smallest here?
0.
0. But can I put 0 as the first digit?
No.
No. So which number should I put as the first digit?
1.
1. Okay. Then after that, you should put which number as the second digit? Other than 8, which number? Other than 8 and 1, I cannot put already. So 3042. No, you should put 0 because 0 is smaller than 2. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. But they want 5-digit, 5-digit only, smallest 5-digit. So 8 in the 100 place. So it has to be 8 now. Then after that, which number is the smallest? 3, 4, and 2, which number is the smallest?
2.
2. Then 3 and 4, which number is the smallest?
3.
3. You understand how I do this question now?
Yes.
You always get the smallest number and put it here. Then they tell you 8 is the 100th place. That's why I must put an 8 here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, then after that, question 21. What is the missing fraction? Okay, see, this gap here is how much? Each gap is how much?
1.
Each gap is 1/6. You know why? Oh?
Yes.
Okay, then this one, if each gap is 1/6, so this part is 1/6. So 6.5 plus 1/6 equal to how many? What is 6.5? 6.5 is
12 over, or 1/12.
1/12.
12 over
6,
2.
6.5 is
12 over 2.
no 6.5. 6.5 is 13/2. Am I making sense to you?
Yes.
You know how I get 13/2?
Yes. 6 times 2 plus 1.
Yes. Then this one, can I add together right now?
Yes.
Huh? How to add? You cannot add now. You have to change it to the same.
Denominator.
Yes. So the 2 I must change to what?
6
6. How did 2 become 6?
times 3.
Times 3. So 13 times 3 is how many? What is 13 times 3? Then you do a quick
39.
39. Then this one, the answer is how many? 39/6 plus 1/6
40
is
over 6.
40/6. 40/6 simplest form is what?
20 over 3.
20/3. Then in mixed number, that will become? Mixed number will be what?
6203.
6/2/3. 6 and 2 third. That's the answer.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You understand how to get 6 and 2 third now?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on to the next question, 22. 2 and 3 are 2 of the common factors of 6 and 12. What are the other common factors? So factors of 6. So what are the factors of 6? Can you tell me what are the factors of 6?
6.
Okay, when you name factors, you always start from the lowest one. Start from 1. 1,
1.
2, 3, followed by what?
4.
Factors of 6,
6.
followed by 6. Not 4. 4 is not a factor of 6. How about factors of 12? Starting from 1 again. 1 confirm is a factor 1. Then followed by
2.
2, followed by
6.
followed by 3, followed by 4, followed by 6. You list out in ascending order, then easier to compare. Then followed by 12.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Understand?
Yes.
Then which one is the common factor? 1, 2, 3, 6. Can you see? These are the common
Yes.
factors. So what are the other 2 common factors? 2 and 3 are 2 of the common factors, right? So what are the other 2 common factors?
4 and 12.
Not 1 and 12, 1 and 6. Can you see? Can't you see? I already circle for you. I circle 6 for you already, you know. You should tell me 1 and 12. Can you see? It's 1 and 6.
Yes.
I already circle for you, then you still tell me 1 and 12. Okay. Question 23. What is the missing number in the box? Okay, first you see this one, 23. How did 1505 become 1480? What actually took place? What actually took place here?
1480 minus 1505.
You use 1505 minus 1480, you get 25. So you actually minus 25 to get this. Understand?
Okay.
Then this one, is it minus 25? Did they minus 25?
Yes.
Yes, right? So you know the pattern is they minus 25.
Mm.
So to find the question mark,
1480 minus 25.
correct. Then you do this calculation. The answer is? How's the answer?
0 change to 10 and 8 minus equals 7. Then 10 minus equals 5. Then 7 minus 2 equals 5. Then 4 minus 0 equals 14.
Okay, so what's the answer? 1455.
1455.
Okay. Clear this one?
Yes.
Okay, 24. Ravi made an art piece out of 24 diamond-shaped cardboards. How many more diamond-shaped cardboards must be shaded so that 3/8 of the art piece is shaded? Okay, right now, okay, first you need to investigate what is 3/8 of 24. 3/8 times 24 is how many? 3/8 times 24 equal how many? Equal to? Can you do this one? Can you do this one for me? 3/8 times 24.
38.
Times 24 equal to? Can you tell me, can I cancel anything? Can I cancel anything?
8.
8 I can cancel become?
1.
8 I cancel become 1. 24 can I cancel?
Yes.
Then become what? 24 I cancel become?
1.
No. Not 1. The same concept, just now 8. How did 8 become 1? 8 divide by 8, it become 1. So can 24 divide by 8? Yes or no? Is 24 divisible by 8? Can, right?
3.
3. So what's the answer here?
3 times 3.
Equal to?
9.
9. But 9 is 9 the final answer here? Is 9 the final answer here? Yes or no?
Yes.
No, 9 is not the final answer here. You know why? Because the question is asking how many more diamond-shaped cardboards must be shaded? How many more? So altogether, you're supposed to shade 9 cardboards. Correct?
Yeah.
But how many cardboards are shaded now? How many cardboards are shaded now? You count how many cardboards are shaded now?
6.
6 shaded. So So you need to shade how many more to make it 9? How many more cardboards must we shade? 3. So answer is
3.
so you shade 3 more. Okay? Answer is 3. You understand?
Yes.
Yes, Okay, let's move on to the next question. 25. 38 over 5 is equal to? Okay, first you convert this to
Simplest form.
mixed number. So the mixed number will become, what's the mixed number?
Mixed number.
38 over 5, you convert to mixed number, that will become 38 divided by 5 is how many?
7.
7. Then remainder how much?
3.
Remainder 3. You dividing by 5, right? So over 5. Understand how to convert the mixed number now?
Yes.
But the question is saying how many over 10? You be careful. 7, right? Then 3/5 is how many over 10? 3/5 is how many over 10? How did 5 become 10? 5 go through a process for it to become 10, right? What happened to the 5? 5 actually, what happened to 5? How did 5 become 10? 5 went through a process called multiplying by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 become 10. Understand?
Yes.
So if 5 multiplied by 2 become 10, right? 3 also need to multiply by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 3 multiplied by 2 equal how much? Equal to 6. So what's the missing number in the box?
6.
6. Get it?
Yes.
You need to know how to convert your fraction. You're very weak in that. I don't know why you're so weak in that. You have to pay attention in school and try to understand how to convert your fraction from lowest form, convert to lowest form, convert to mixed number, all that.
Okay.
If not, you're going to suffer next year in P5. P5, the max going to be harder than this, you know. This is only primary 4. Okay, a toy duck weighs 58 grams. Mr. Tan bought 35 toy ducks for a science experiment in school. What was the total mass of the toy duck that Mr. Tan had to carry to school? You know how to do this question?
No.
You don't know? Very easy. Each toy duck weigh how heavy? Each toy duck weigh 58 grams. How many toy ducks he bought? 35 toy ducks. So what's the total mass?
35 times 58.
Precisely. When you read question, you try to sieve out important information. Okay? They already tell you the weight of one toy duck. A toy duck means there's one toy duck only. So 58 grams. Then he bought 35 toy ducks. So each toy duck is 58, right? So total mass is 35 times 58. So what is 35 times 58? You do this together. 35 times 58. You do 35 times 58.
2030.
Okay, how do you get 2030?
8 times 5 equals 40.
40.
Then 8 times 3 equals 8 times 3 equals 24.
Mhm.
Then 5 times 5 equals
24, you need to plus the 4 here.
29
24, you plus 4 is 28.
or 28.
Then 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 5 is
3
3 times
times
5.
5 equals 15.
Then you need to plus the 2,
Plus
right?
2. 17.
Yes, that's how you get 2030.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let's move on to the next question. Okay, in which direction is the bicycle kiosk from the food center? Bicycle kiosk is here, food center is here. Which direction? It is the, which direction is that? North is here. North, south, east, west. North, south, east, and west.
Southeast.
Bicycle kiosk from the food center, you tell me. North, south, east, huh?
West.
It is the,
Southwest.
not the southwest either.
West.
It is the west. Understand? We also
Yes.
line what?
Okay.
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 29. Use protractor and ruler, draw WYZ is 58 degrees. WYZ is here. This is 45, 58 is about like this.
I draw on the other side.
Yeah. So this is 58. Okay. Understand now?
Yes.
You use protractor and measure now.
Okay.
Because WYZ. Not YWZ. The other side is YWZ. Okay.
Okay.
31. Okay, Amanda had 2, 3, 4, 9 star stickers. She bought some animal stickers. The number of star stickers was 9 times the number of animal stickers. How many animal stickers did she buy? What must you do?
Um.
Animal stickers equal to?
Equals to 2, 3, 4, 9 divided by 9.
Yes. 2, 3, 4, 9 divided by 9. Very good. Okay, divide by 9. Let's do this together.
9 times 2 equals 18.
9 times 2 is 18. So 2 times 9 is 18. This is 5. Bring down the 4.
6.
Then 6. 54 again. Then bring down the 9.
1
1. 9.
equals 0.
Yes.
Then equals 2, 6, 1.
So animal stickers is?
2, 6, 1.
You understand now how to do?
Yes.
Why divide by 9? You understand now?
Yes.
We got 9 times.
Okay.
Question 32. Okay, there are 8 chocolate bars in one packet. Betty has $100.
Okay.
How many packets can she buy at most? Okay, this question has some problem. This question is
$8.
$8. Each packet of chocolate bars costs $8.
Okay.
Okay, this sentence you should change to each packet of chocolate bar each packet of chocolate bar costs $8. Betty has $100. How many packets can she buy at most? Then what must you do? What must you do? To find packets she can buy at most, what must you do? Each chocolate bar, you have chocolate bar.
8 divided by 100.
Nope. Each chocolate bar is $8. Or $8. Okay, you don't know how many chocolate bars she can buy, but she only has $100. Then you tell me how many chocolate bars she can buy at most. Not 8 divided by 100. It is
100 divided by 8.
Yes, 100 divided by 8. That'll give you, what is 100 divided by 8?
100 divided by 8 equals
Equal to
1 on top, then 8 below, then equals 2. Then bring down 0. Equals 16. 2.
6.
Put 2 on top. Then equals 4.
Okay.
Equals 12.
So how many packets you can buy at most? How many packets you can buy at most? She can buy?
She can buy 12 chocolate
You can
bars
buy
at most.
at most, not 13.
Okay.
Not 13. Because this one you actually get 12.5. Remainder 4 is 12.5. Then student might round up to 13 because they see 5 here, but you don't round up because that you don't have a 0.5 chocolate bar.
Okay.
You can't buy half a chocolate bar because at most you can only buy 12. Okay,
Okay.
this one correct. Very good. You got some correct. 35. Okay, our friend Sam, he spent 1/5 of his money on the book. He also bought a pair of shoes for $49. He had $19 left. How much money did he spend on the book? You know what to do with this kind of question?
No.
You draw model. 1/5, right?
Yeah.
You show 5 parts. One-fifth, he spent 1/5. He bought a pair of shoes for $49 and had $19 left.
Okay.
He bought a pair of shoes for 49 and had $19 left. Okay, 49 and had $19 left. Then can you tell me? This one is actually how many units? This one is actually 4 units, right?
Yeah.
Because 1/5 1 unit spent on books. So 4 units equal to 4 units equal to how many? 19 plus 49. Can you see?
Yes.
19 plus 49. So what is 19 plus 49? Let's do the addition. What's 19 plus 49? You tell me how to do the addition. 19 plus 49.
19 plus 49 equals 59.
No, not 59.
9
plus 9 is
60.
9 plus 9 plus 9.
68.
68. Altogether is 68. Okay, 19 plus 49 is 68.
Okay.
So 4 units is 68. 1 unit equal to 4 units is 68. So 1 unit equal to what? You tell me 1 unit equal to what? How to find 1 unit?
1 unit equals to 68. 68 divided by 4.
Yes. That'll give you you do 68 divided by 4. What is 68 divided by 4?
22.
Is it 22? No, not 22. 68 divided by 4. Let's do the division.
4 times 1 equals 8.
4 times 1 is not 8. 4 times 1 is 4.
4 times 1 is 4. Then minus equals 28 because bring down the 8.
28 divided by 4 is?
28 divided by 4 equals 8.
Equals 7. 7 times 4 is 28. I told you many times, go and memorize your multiplication timetable already. You still can't do your multiplication timetable. I mean, your multiplication timetable still. So answer is 17. How much you spend on the book? $17. Okay?
Okay.
This question, you know what to do already, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, next question. Madam Amina bought a big container of washing detergent of 3 liters. She poured some of the washing detergent into 2 small bottles. Each small bottle contained 1/3 liter of the washing detergent. How much washing detergent was left in the big container? So big container is 3 liters. So each one contained 1/3, right? So 2 bottles will contain 2/3. So 3 minus 2/3 is how many?
3 minus 2/3 equals 2.
2 and 1/3. Understand?
Yes.
3 minus 2/3 is 2 and 1/3. Okay?
Okay.
You know why, oh?
Yes.
You know why, because this one is assumed knowledge by now already. By right, now is knowledge like this is considered assumed knowledge. Like you should know by now. Section C.
Okay.
This one you got it right. I will go through. 38. A fruiterer had 1332 fruits. There were 60 fewer oranges than apples. There were 24 more bananas than oranges. How many oranges were there? So this kind of question, you have to what? You have to, what do you need to do? You have to draw the model. No model, very hard to do. Apples, orange, banana. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. 60 fewer oranges than apples. Like that. This is 60. 60 fewer oranges than apples. Understand?
Okay.
Then 24 more bananas than oranges. Okay, understand? 24 more bananas than oranges.
Okay.
Altogether, 1332. So this one is all 1 unit. Oh, can you see the 1 unit?
Yes.
You draw the model, you know already. Yeah? So this one is 3 units, right? Do you agree it's 3 units here?
Yeah.
Do you agree it's 3 units? 3 units
Yes.
plus 60 plus 24 equal to 1332. Understand?
Yes.
Then 3 units equal to 1332 minus 24 minus 60. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, the minus I won't do with you. The minus you should know how to minus by now. Okay? Can you know how to minus?
Yes.
3 units is 1248. 3 units is 1248. So 1 unit equal to 1 unit equal to what? 1248 divided by 3. Understand? You know why 1248 divided by 3? This one?
Yes.
This concept. So 1248 divided by 3. You can do like that. Okay, let's do together. 1248 divided by 3
4.
equal to
4. Equals 12, then minus equals 0, then bring down the 4, then equals 1, then equals 3, then minus equals 2, equals 1, then bring down the 8.
18 divided by 3 is?
Equals 5.
No. 18 divided by 3 is how many?
Oh, 6.
6, not 5. Your multiplication timetable is haunting you. I asked you to go and commit to memory many times.
I memorized
So how many? But it's still not smoothly. Doing question like this, you keep giving me the wrong answer. That's the thing. So 1 unit is 416. So how many oranges were there? How many oranges were there? 416, right? 1 unit.
Yeah.
When you answer the question, right, you look at the model. How many oranges are there? 1 unit. 1 unit is 416. That's how you use the model. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you please learn how to draw model. If not, P5, P6, you're going to have a hard time.
Okay.
Please draw model.
Okay.
39. Okay, pupils from P school visited the zoo. The number of boys was 5 times the number of girls. Okay, so you have boys, you have girls, number of boys 5 times, right? So how many boxes should I draw? How many boxes
5.
I should? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then girls is 1 box. Make sense to you?
Yes.
372 more boys than girls. So this is 372. So this is how many units?
1 unit.
No, 372 is how many units?
4 unit.
4 units. 4 units is 372. So 1 unit equal to?
1 unit equals 372 divided by 4.
Yes. Then after that, you divide. How do you go about doing the division? 372 divided by 4 is? Let's do together. 372 divided by 4.
372 divided by 4 equals 4.
What number times 4 give you 37?
7.
Nope, not 7. Yeah, your multiplication timetable is the problem.
9.
9. 9 times 4 give you how many?
37.
9 times 4 give you 36. Remainder 1. Bring down 12. 12 divided by 4 give you? What is 12 divided by 4?
12 divided by 4 equals
12 divided by 4 is how many?
3.
3. 3 times 4 is 12. So 1 unit is 93. So the answer, is it 93? Is the answer 93?
Yes.
No. You see carefully.
No.
How many children visit the zoo, right?
Yes.
So how many children visit the zoo? How many units are there? How many units are there? You count number of units. How many units are there? How many units are there altogether?
2.
No, units. You can count, right?
5.
I count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. Because children is boys and girls. Understand?
Yes.
6 units. So 6 units equal to?
6 unit equals to 93 times 6.
Yes, 93 times 6. That'll give you how many? 93 times 6. Let's do together. 3 times 6 is?
3 times 6 is
that's why your multiplication timetable go and memorize. I say 10,000 times already. I don't ask you this kind of question. You took so long to give me the answer. What is 3 times 6?
18.
18. 9 times 6 is?
54.
54. Plus 1 is 55.
55.
So 558. Answer is 558. Total number of children. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next question. Okay, 41. Okay, the table shows the height and mass of 3 plants, A, B, C. What is the difference in mass between plant A and plant C? Difference in mass between plant A and plant C. What's the difference in mass? 6/10 minus 1/5. Understand?
Yes.
You look at the mass column. Plant A, mass column 6/10 and 1/5, right? So 6/10 minus 1/5. That'll give you 6/10 minus how many?
6/10 minus 1/.
How many over 10? Minus?
1/10.
No. How did 5 become 10?
2/10.
2/10. So 6 minus 2 is? 6/10 minus 2/10 is?
6 minus 2 equals 4.
So is 4 the answer?
4/10.
4/10, yes. 4/10 is equal to lowest form. Lowest form is what? What's the lowest form?
2/5.
2/5. 2/5 kg. So part A is 2/5 kg. All right, you understand now this one?
Yes.
Then part B. What is the total mass of the 3 plants? Total mass. Total mass means you add together all the mass. 6/10 plus 1/10 plus 1/5. 1/5 is 2/10. Okay, 1/5 is 2/10. You understand? You know why 1/5 is equal to 2/10?
Yes.
Yeah. Then this one add together, what you have? What's the total mass of all the 3 plants? What is it? 6/10 plus 1/10 plus 2/10 equal to? Addition, you should know what? You don't know how to add? Cannot be.
9/10.
9/10, yes. 9/10. Total mass is 9/10 kg. Okay, you understand now?
Okay.
If you can tell me the answer, I assume you understand now.
Yes.
Okay, C. The total height of A and B is 6/8 meter. Heights of A and B, 6/8 meter. What is the height of plant B? So A and B, the height is 6/8 meters. A is 2/4 meter, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you understand this part, no? How I get this?
Yes.
Okay. So 6/8 minus 2/4 equal to, how must you do? Change to same denominator. So the same denominator is the LCM. What is the LCM of 8 and 4? What's the LCM of 8 and 4? LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. You know why? Because 4 times 2 is 8. What? LCM. It's not 32. It's not 32 or 16. LCM. LCM is 8. Always use the lowest number. You don't use 8 times 4. 8 times 4, 32, you get very big number. Don't deal with big number. Deal with small number.
Okay.
Okay. So 8 times 1 is 8, right? So 6 times 1 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 will be? Will be 4. So 6 minus 4/8 equal to? 6/8 minus 4/8 equal to how many?
2/8.
2/8. Then equal to? Equal to how many? Lowest form. Simplest form. Equal to how many?
1/4.
1/4. You speak up properly. Your voice a bit muffled. I don't know why. Okay. So
Okay.
height is 1/4 meter. Understand?
Okay.
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 Okay, move on to the next question already. 42. Okay, the cost of a cupboard is $105 cheaper than the cost of a television set. So Miss Lee paid 1,920 for one cupboard and 2 television set. What is the cost of a television set? So what must you do? You draw model again. Cupboard, television set. Cost of cupboard is $105 cheaper than television set, right? So television set more expensive, right?
Yes.
So this part is $105. Miss Lee paid 1,920 for one cupboard and 2 television set. So 2 television set.
Okay.
You understand why I draw another these 2 television set. So cupboard, let's call it one unit. Altogether, how much? This is 1,920. Okay. So this one is how many? This is not 185, this is 105.
Okay.
I change to 0. I write clearer first. Yeah, 105. So this one is how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, right? 3 units, right?
Yeah.
Plus 105 plus 105 equal to 1,920. You understand, no? This equation. So 3 units is equal to 1,920 minus 105 minus 105. So 1,920 minus 105, 2 times of this will be 210.
Okay.
Okay? So 3 units is equal to 1,710. Okay? I trust you know how to do the addition subtraction. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, addition subtraction, no problem, right?
Yes.
So 1 unit is 1,710 divided by 3. I trust you know how to do the division also. You've done so many times already. So 1 unit is 570. But that's not the end of the question. Cost of a television set. So a TV is 1 unit plus 105. You understand?
Yes.
So 1 unit is 570 plus 105. That's equal to 675. Okay?
Okay.
The cost of TV is 675. Understand now?
Yes.
You go and redo this question again now.
Okay.
Try to do it without looking at my solution.
Okay.
You have to do it without looking at my solution. You cannot look at my solution, look at my YouTube video, then go and copy. No point. Okay?
Okay.
You have to do it without looking at my solution. See if you can do or not.
Okay.
No point copying my solution.
Okay.
Okay, 43. Okay, May read 9 pages of a book in one day. Nareen read 6 pages of the same book in a day. When May finished reading the book, Nareen still had 21 more pages to go. How many days did May take to finish reading the book? Okay, this kind of question.
Okay.
Okay, you see, May read 9 pages. Every day she read 9 pages. Narin reads 6 pages every day.
Okay.
So the difference in rate is 3 pages per day.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
How I get 3? 9 minus 6.
Yes.
You know why I minus? Because I need
Yeah.
to know the difference.
Okay.
Because when May finished reading the book, right, Narin still had 21 more pages to go. So the difference is 21.
Okay.
So 21 divided by 3 equal to 7.
Okay.
So May took 7 days to finish the book. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, 21 divided by 3 is 7. That's how you May took 7 days. All right. Then how many pages were there in the book? 7 times 9 equal to 63.
Okay.
Okay, because May took 7 days more. So 9 pages a day, right? So 7 times 9, 63. 63 pages in a book. Okay, took 7 days. Okay, this question.
Yes.
You please reattempt.
Okay.
Next week, I don't want to see you still don't know and still blank all that. Because I asked you still got question, you said no question, you know how to do. You say okay, okay. So next week, I want to see you able to do this question independently.
Okay.
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 Last question. Okay, Ahmad had 80 more stickers than Tom. After Tom gave Ahmad 10 stickers, Ahmad had twice as many stickers as Tom. How many stickers did Tom have at first? This kind of question, what must you do? You must?
Mm-hmm.
You must what?
Draw model.
Yes, you have to draw model. This is a special kind of model. You have to draw before and after. How do you know you need to draw before and after? Because after something happened. After something happened, somebody had X number of stickers, something like that. So you have to before and after. So before, A for Ahmad, T for Tom. Okay, Ahmad had 80 more stickers than Tom. So you draw Ahmad longer by 80. This is 80. Okay.
Okay.
Then after Tom give Ahmad 10 stickers. Tom has less, he still give Ahmad 10 more stickers.
Okay.
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 So this is 10. Then he give him 10 more.
Okay.
You understand my model?
Yes.
Then he had twice as much. So this part is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. This whole thing is 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit, 1 unit. Then how many stickers did Tom have at first? Okay.
Okay.
So 1 unit, if you see carefully, 1 unit is 80 plus 20.
Okay.
Can you see? 80. 80 is here.
Yes.
This is my 80. This part here is 10. 80 plus 10 plus 10. So 1 unit is 100.
Okay.
Oh, 1 unit is 100. Okay, so this is 1 unit.
Okay.
So top at first will have 100 plus 10. 110.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
From the model, you can tell this is 1 unit. Then here is my 1 unit. This is 10. So Ahmad initially had 110 plus 90, 200.
Okay.
No, not 200. 110, not 110, 100. 1 unit is 100, 190. Ahmad has 190.
Okay.
Ahmad has 190, then it's 110. Because 80 more, then correct. Okay, so
Okay.
110, Tom. Any question?
Mm,
Any question? You understand?
mm,
Yes or no?
yeah.
You understand how to do this question?
Yes.
You know how to draw this model?
I think so.
You think so? You try.
Okay.
Don't give up halfway. Okay, that's all for now. That's the last question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the last question really. The rest are all the answer key. Okay, now. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, you do your correction first. You do a correction first, your reattempt. You reattempt this paper again. The
Okay.
whole paper, the full paper, you reattempt.
Okay.
Because you make too many mistakes, you have to reattempt the full paper. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.